The Maine Opioid Response Summit is an annual event that showcases the steps the state is taking to fight the crisis. And today, attendees headed to Central Maine Community College to learn more about the uphill battle. News Center Maine's Caroline LaCour shares this year's findings and the steps being taken to save lives.
This is the sixth time the state of Maine is hosting its Opioid Response Summit, drawing in hundreds of folks on their own paths to recovery alongside their supporters as they fight to overcome the barriers to healthier lives.
Sure. So I am celebrating 6 years of recovery in August.
Kate Reagan says she's dealt with her share of bumps along the road to recovery. Despite that, she explains sobriety is now her way of life.
Recovery looks different for everybody, and I think that's really important to recognize that, because what works for me might not work for the next person or vice versa.
Reagan's journey led her here as state and local leaders continue to fight Maine's opioid crisis one step at a time.
I think the message today is hope.
Gordon Smith is the state's director of opioid response. He says Maine has slowly been moving in the right direction.
In 2022, when we were in Bangor, that was the worst year that we had in terms of overdoses and mortality. We were just coming out of the pandemic.
In 2023, there were around 500 fewer overdoses than the year before, according to the Maine's Drug Data Hub. Smith says that difference means the world when dealing with the lives of Mainers.
We've opened more beds. We have a lot more outpatient treatment. So we've still got more to do. We've got 2.5 years left in the Mills administration to accomplish it.
It's still a call to action. Even one overdose is too many.
On the federal level, Thursday's keynote speaker Miriam Delphin-Rittman says the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration's current priorities centers around increasing the availability of overdose reversal medications.
Maine was one of the participants in our naloxone saturation policy academy. It's vital that naloxone and other overdose reversing medications are there when people need it.
Another focus of the summit is preventing drugs from coming across the border into Maine.
Alarmingly, so far this year, 17% of fentanyl overdose deaths in Maine have also included xylazine.
The Mills administration has used close to $1 million to educate Mainers about the sedative xylazine and distributed nearly 83,000 test strips for the drug. Small steps to fight back.
I'm never giving up. Don't you give up either. Don't give up.
In Auburn, Caroline LaCour, News Center, Maine.